I'm from the Shortcuts Education team. I'm just going to take you quickly through how you can stay in touch with your clients in one easy either email or SMS blast using your Shortcuts marketing. So in your Shortcuts marketing, we just need to come across to message all clients. If we select message all clients, we can come down to the bottom and select on new. That will bring up a new empty campaign for you. What I've just done for us is just to sort of create a little one beforehand. So what we've done, I've put in there a campaign name for you. The start time I popped in at 9 a.m. With tomorrow's date. If we just click onto email, what you want to do is just ensure that you do have the logo displayed. If you haven't been in Shortcuts marketing before, there might be a little bit of prep that you would want to do beforehand, and that is in your console. If you're unsure of that, please contact our help desk. We'll be happy to help with that prep. So please get your logo in there. Then the subject line is what your client is going to see when they go into their inbox. What you want to do then is create yourself a message. I've just popped something in there. So we've got hi customer's first name. Customer's first name is available there in the insert field. So what we're going to do is just whatever field you want to pop into that your email, that will go in there for you. You're going to pop in there your email content, what the message is you want to get across, and love from the hair and beauty salon. If you do want to pop in there some sort of special offer for them, or your self check-in or your online booking, please just check the little plus symbol there in the corner of that box. Otherwise, if you're happy to go forward with that, what you need to do is just send yourself a test. When you send yourself a test, a little window will pop up. Pop your email address in there and send that to yourself. When you're happy with the email that you receive and you want to proceed, just come back into your Shortcuts marketing, come over to the little green box in the corner here and press activate. When you do that, that will just stand by, and at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, that will just automatically go out for you. If you want to use the SMS, that's fine. Just pop down. You have the insert field selection there for you as well if you want to put the customer's first name in. The only thing really that I need to point out here is the amount of characters you're going to use. So please, if you do use more than 138 characters, you will go over into using 2 text messages. So if you can keep it more concise and keep it to 138 characters, you will send yourself a test as well, and then click on activate, and that will go whenever you have chosen the date and time up here at the top. Whatever that is, that's when that campaign will go out. So I hope that that is helpful. Please stay in touch. Let us know if you have any other videos that you want me to make. Please head over to shortcuts.com.au, head into our resources, have a look at the videos that we've popped in there. There's plenty of videos in relation to what's going on in the world at the moment. So how you can stay in touch with your clients and get that information out there. So please stay safe. Much love from Shortcuts, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thank you.